from innovations then to India's 30 best student startups. That's exactly what NEN showcased when they played host at NEN First Dot. Prem Shankar from Chennai has that story.
NEN played host to a one-of-its-kind student startup event titled First Dot. With over 150 applicants from across the country, the two-day event served as a platform to recognize and encourage the most promising student startups.
We're going to be showcasing the top 30 student startups and a whole lot of conferences that students are going to love.
The takeaways included mentoring, talks on presenting your business plans, and on building your business. Amongst the highlights was an interaction with Mafois Pandirajan, an entrepreneur who took his venture from an investment of 30,000 rupees in 1992 to 1,000 crores in 2010. The other big attraction was a final list of 30 selected student startups, from book exchanging platforms to t-shirts, targeting engineering college students. The startup ideas certainly had great range. One that certainly caught the eye was robotics startup MyRobot. From robotics to a startup that makes hand-painted canvas shoes. Yup, shoes! We've all used at some point back in school. The startup, named Fizzy Goblet, was looking for mentorship and guidance as they put their first steps forward.
It's a business that is cash flow positive. We need like sort of guidance and mentorship in a sort of which direction to take it forward. And we're investing heavily on our web presence now. So in another 2 or 3 months, you'll see a whole new fizzygoblet.com out.
Mentoring, seminars and unconferences. It was 2 days of learning and enjoyment for India's 30 best student startups as they prepare themselves to enter the competitive business landscape.
Drops of water make a mighty ocean. Dots of efforts here will probably make a mighty nation. Ocean, nation, well, who cares about all that? Students here don't care about these things. They've come here to have fun. 2 days of learning, 2 days of fun. Seeds have been sown for their dreams to take shape for great things in future.
Well, if you're a student, you can log on to their website for more details. We'll take a break here on the show, but coming up, food from over 200 restaurants at the click of a button. It's deliverychef.in on our elevator pitch.
This show brought to you by Religare Broking, India's leading broking network. Telenor, built around people.
Different banking solutions from HSBC, the world's local bank.
It was impossible not to fall in love with him.
Whenever I'm with her, I'm really happy, I'm really calm. Actually, we were friends before we became romantically involved. And who's more romantic between the two of you?
I think it's him, you know.
Yeah? Omar is very surprised, yeah?
Amir Kiran's Candid Conversations in an encounter with Omar. Thursday, 20th January, 7:30 p.m. Only on Zoom.
Guys, presentations in an hour. Where are we? Get the prints, quick! Get another set.
You don't manufacture paper yourself. Why host and manage your own applications? Reach beyond with virtualization and cloud services from Net4.
You don't love me anymore.
EV or TV? Why not both? Now pause live TV and don't miss a single moment of action with new Reliance Big TV High Definition Digital Video Recorder.
इस स्थिति को कहते हैं खुशी से पागल हो जाना। अब देखिए, इन्हें पहले खुशी थी कि लड़की मिल गई, पर फिर सामने आई जिम्मेदारियां, जैसे कि शादी का खर्च, नया घर, एक नन्हा मुन्ना, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। और ये खुशी से पागल हो गए। मेरे पास है हर खुशी के लिए इंश्योरेंस प्लान्स, ताकि मुझे देके फिक्र, आप जियो बेफिक्र।
Legs are happy in asylum, even in the last row. Ask me, I'm 6'3". Look here, happy legs. Wake up, happy legs. Happy only in asylum.
You've joined us on Starting Up. Now, if you've been clocking in a lot of late nights at work and in the process struggling to get through to your favorite restaurant for that all-important delivery, well, here's a yummy solution and it's just a click away. Deliverychef.in is on our elevator pitch.
Nothing more enjoyable than a good meal at your favorite restaurant. But then there's the traffic, the time involved, and the fact that you might not even get a table. Well, guess what? There is a solution. Deliverychef.in. Simply log on to our website, enter your address, select a food spot and choose items from the menu. You can pay online or on delivery. And voila, delicious food at your doorstep. We also have a dedicated call center to help you with your order. We've tied up with over 200 of Mumbai's best restaurants, bakeries and mithai shops, all to offer you tremendous choice. Not only that, the platform is an interactive one with features such as reviews, ratings and suggesting items, all of which ensure you get your order just right. Our service can also be used by corporates to award meals to their employees or provide food coupons. It ensures easy tracking with the employer being billed directly for the meal. It can also be used to gift meals to that special someone. Our revenue model is one where we charge restaurants a commission per order. We also make advertising revenue on our website. With this revenue model, we project revenues of approximately 4 crores by 2013 and 6.5 crores by 2015. To make this a reality, we would like to make a pitch for rupees 5 crores for a 20% stake in Delivery Chef. The funds will be used for marketing and expansion, both national and international. Your favorite dishes from different restaurants across the city. Now enjoy them at your own home through Delivery Chef.
That looked extremely useful, but what did our investor think? Well, we showed it to Alok Kejriwal. Here's his take.
Alok Kejriwal, CEO and co-founder of Games to Win, an online portal for games, has been the guru of online ventures. Alok took a look at the pitch and this is what he had to say.
I think Delivery Chef is a great idea. It's enabling desktop consumers to kind of get food at their doorstep. So desktop to doorstep I think is a great idea. I think the fact that it lists everything that a restaurant or an outlet can offer does a great deal. But that's like a listing engine, right? That's like what is the menu of different restaurants. Converting that menu into an order and making that order appear in your house is the second and the third most important thing. So I think if it's only about who serves what, it's just a directory. If it's all about order here, it's e-commerce. If it's about get it home, it's logistics. So that really depends on what value they're going to provide. I would suggest that they should go after people who don't have any existing delivery, setup. So if you're saying Pronto and Pizza Hut and all, they're already doing it. They're just a directory service. But if you're going to bakeries and small shops and salad businesses and companies that don't have anything, just one or two lady entrepreneurs, they're the ideal people to be powered up by Delivery Chef. The biggest mistake entrepreneurs make is blow up money on marketing. Marketing never solved anybody's problem, and if it were, then everybody would be a billion-dollar company. I think what they really need to understand is that they're trying to create value on the internet. The internet is all about viral. Where was the last time you saw a Facebook ad or a Foursquare ad or a LinkedIn ad? You use it because it's powerful and because it helps you. So spend all that money that you may get in building a great service tell people to sign up for you, get more restaurants in, incubate housewives, you know. Tell housewives that never knew they had a business to sell to come and register on Delivery Chef and serve their food. Spend money in buying scooters for India that you can deliver. I would actually urge them to focus on maybe one thing, maybe dhokla, falafel, something that India or Bombay eats all the time and eats everywhere. So if you say, you know, the best dhoklas are on, Delivery Chef, it kind of gets a buzz around it. Then once you've done the dhokla market, do, whatever else market. So I think focusing on one product, getting it pan India, pan Bombay, and getting it right, I think would be an interesting positioning.
Well, there you go. That's what Alok made off that pitch. But you know, we'd love to hear from you. Write into us on startingup@etnow.tv. You can also send us an SMS or simply find us on Facebook. Good time to remind you that IIT Bombay's prestigious entrepreneurship event, it's called eSummit 2011, is round the corner, and all you need to do is log on to their website for all the necessary details. We're out of time, but before we go, as we say every week, remember